little learners, we have another animal puzzle with some letters on them. Let's solve it and learn the alphabet. Are you ready? Where did all the pieces go? Let's find them. Help me solve this vehicle puzzle. Do you know all the vehicles? Police car, blue car, ambulance, garbage truck, fire truck, excavator, green SUV, motorbike. Good job! The vehicle puzzle gave us 2 puzzle pieces. First is the letter A. A is for alligator. Can you say alligator? Next is the letter B. B is for bear. Can you say bear? Fruit puzzle is next up for solving. Do you know all the fruits yummy? Grape, kiwi, strawberry, pear, orange, apple, watermelon, banana. The fruit puzzle gave us 2 more puzzle pieces. Next is the letter C. C is for cat. Can you say cat? Next is the letter D. D is for dolphin. Can you say dolphin? The car carrier is coming, and it is bringing us more puzzle pieces. Let's find their places on the puzzle. Next is the letter E. E is for elephant. Can you say elephant? Next is the letter F. F is for flamingo. Can you say flamingo? What do we have here? More fruits, but this time we need to cut them. Let's see, do you remember them? Watermelon, banana, apple, tangerine, pear, kiwi. We have 2 more puzzle pieces. Next is the letter G. G is for giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Next is the letter H. H is for hen. Can you say hen? A plane is flying our way, and it brings us something. Oops, the pieces fell off. Let's take them and find their spot on the puzzle. Next is the letter I. I is for iguana. Can you say iguana? Next is the letter J. J is for jaguar. Can you say jaguar? On to finding the next piece, we have to solve this vegetable puzzle first. Pepper, corn, cabbage, cucumber, potato, tomato, onion. The vegetable puzzle gave us 2 more pieces. Next is the letter K. K is for kangaroo. Can you say kangaroo? Next is the letter L. L is for lion. Can you say lion? Token box again. Let's put our tokens in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But something is blocking the way. Let's open it and see what is hiding inside. What do we have here? 2 more puzzle pieces are hiding in the box. Let's find their spots on the puzzle. Next is the letter M. M is for monkey. Can you say monkey? Next is the letter N. N is for nightingale. Can you say nightingale? Another puzzle to solve. This one involves some cute farm animals, but their heads are mismatched. We need to match the animal body with its head. Let's go! Good job! The sheep is done. The pig as well. Next one is the goat. Where is its head? Here it is. Next is the horse. Good job! The cat is ready as well. The rooster's head is on the right spot. Let's move the dog's head in order to free the cow. The cow goes to its body. And finally, the dog is on the right place. The farm puzzle gave us 2 more pieces. Next is the letter O. O is for octopus. Can you say octopus? Oh, look, there is an open spot for the nightingale. Let's place it. Next is the letter P. P is for penguin. Can you say penguin? Let's find our next puzzle piece. But first, we need to solve this number puzzle. Let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The farm puzzle gave us 2 more pieces. Next is the letter Q. Q is for quail. Next is the letter R. R is for rhinoceros. Can you say rhinoceros? We have another puzzle to solve, and this one also has many interesting vehicles. Taxi, excavator, helicopter, train, dump truck, truck, bus, ship, Rocket. The vehicle puzzle gave us 2 more pieces. Next is the letter S. S is for snail. Next is the letter T. T is for turtle. Can you say turtle? We have a hand puzzle to solve. We need to put all the fingers and the palm as well. The pieces have numbers to make it easier for us. Let's start. We start with number 1. It's the pinky finger, and it's the color pink. Next is number 2. It's the index finger with the color magenta. Next is number 3. It's the middle finger with the color blue. Next is number 4. It's the index finger with the color light blue. Next is number 5. It's the thumb with the color dark green. Now we must put the pieces of the palm. Time for the other hand to be solved. Next is number 6. It's the thumb with the color light green. Next is number 7. It's the point finger with the color lime. Next is number 8. It's the middle finger with the color yellow. Next is number 9. It's the ring finger with the color orange. The pieces left are from the palm. Let's put them on their right places. Where is number 10? It's hiding up there. Let's place the last piece, the pinky with number 10 and color red. The hand puzzle gave us 2 more pieces. Next is the letter U. U is for unicorn. Can you say unicorn? Next is the letter V. V is for vulture. Can you say vulture? Let's start by solving this puzzle. We have some numbers on the puzzle pieces. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The truck puzzle gave us 2 more pieces. Next is the letter W. W is for whale. Can you say whale? Next is the letter X. X is for xenopus. We have another puzzle to solve. This one is about some colorful bees that need to find their home. Let's go! Red bee goes to red honeycomb. Dark blue bee lives in dark blue honeycomb. Yellow bee lives in yellow honeycomb. Green bee lives in green honeycomb. Purple bee lives in purple honeycomb. Orange bee lives in orange honeycomb. Light blue bee. The bees puzzle gave us 2 more pieces. Next is the letter Y. Y is for yak. Can you say yak? Last is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Can you say zebra? Good job, puzzle masters. You've learned the alphabet and some interesting animals. Now let's say all the letters from the alphabet again. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Amazing!